The Road Departure Mitigation System, RDM, is designed to enhance driver confidence. RDM uses a windshield-mounted camera to detect lane markings. If the vehicle starts to leave the detected lane, a lane departure alert will appear in the instrument panel, and the steering wheel will vibrate. The electric power steering will also help prevent the vehicle from unintentionally drifting over detected lane markings at the edge of the road. The system can also apply the brakes if it determines that steering input alone won't keep the vehicle on the roadway, as long as there are solid lane lines at the edge of the road. For the system to operate, the vehicle must be traveling between 45 and 90 miles per hour on straight or slightly curved roads, lane markings have been detected, and neither the brake pedal, a turn signal, nor the windshield wipers are being used. You can customize the operation of RDM. From the display audio home screen, select Settings, then Vehicle. Touch Driver Assist System Setup, and then Road Departure Mitigation setting. Next, choose from among Normal, Wide, or Warning Only. Choosing Wide changes the point at which the system begins steering input, and selecting Warning Only will maintain the visual and tactile alerts while preventing the system from operating the steering or brakes. After choosing, confirm your choice by touching the icon appropriate to your vehicle. To turn RDM on or off, press the RDM button to the left of the steering column. It's important to note that RDM may not detect all lane markings or lane departures. Accuracy will vary based on weather, speed, and lane marker condition. It is always your responsibility to safely operate the vehicle and avoid collisions. Please see your owner's manual for all RDM conditions and limitations.